Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to create PayPal account out of US. For this one you have to open this link. The link is given in the video description. You have to open this link and then you have to click on login and then you have to click on English. Now from here you have to click on sign up. You will create your account from Philippines. From here you have to select the type of the account. You have to select business instead of personal, otherwise your PayPal account will not work. You have to select business account, click on next. From here you have to select the primary use of PayPal. You have to select send and receive, so select the option 3 and then you have to select next. Now you have to provide your email address and then you have to click on continue. Choose your password and then you have to click on continue. Here you have to select your display name. You have to choose your first name and last name. In business details you have to type your business name. In business phone number, here your country will visible. You have to select your country and you have to provide the phone number. So select US dollar and then you have to click on agree and continue. Now you have to select your business type. Here you have to type your website and then you have to click on continue. Now you have to select your date of birth. Click on submit. Here you can see our PayPal account is now successfully created. So in the same way you can also create PayPal account if you are not living in US or UK. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.